Hey, come over here. Come over here first.
Come on in.
Oh, the mighty eagle.
What?
The mighty eagle.
The Santa Claus came. Look at Grandma. What is it?
The mighty eagle.
Can you get him and show me?
Look at the size.
Where is he? Oh my goodness, what are you supposed to do with that? I can't even see your head. Look at Grandma.
Turn around from the mirror.
Well, how did Santa know, Jay? Wait a minute, we gotta call Mommy, okay?
Go sit beside
Look at Grams. Give me his cheese. Merry Christmas, Jayden.
Merry Christmas, Grandma.
Okay, hold on a second. Cheese.
Cheese.